This is going to be an interesting comparison. So as you can see the title below, white yam versus yellow yam. Let's get right into it. So my beautiful people, as you all know, we normally take you through, 1-2 steps, how we get the fire lighted and thing. We have some coal in the coal pot here. But today, we have new viewers on the channel. So if you're the first time viewing one of them videos up on the channel, make sure to drop a subscribe. Yard life's good, natural backyard outdoor vibes. In our backyard. What nice, so natural vibes. But as I said before, we're gonna just blaze up fire. We're gonna make the camera work some magic and just blaze up fire for you. We normally show you how we get it started and thing. But today we're gonna just get right into it because we can't wait for taste that yam. We can't wait for taste them two yam. And today we're gonna deal with some mackerel with it. Real country people know them vibes, yeah. Salt mackerel and yam, yellow yam or white yam. So I'll make some magic right now. Bam, just like that, fire is started. Yeah, and for that one I don't know, we use some volcano matches. Real yard people them know say, oh, this is one of the best matches out there. I'm not gonna tell a lie. Volcano matches, them used to have one add with this, so them drop it in the water and wipe it off with a piece of cloth and light it back, and it work for real. It work for real in real life, people. Yeah, cause regular, but at first I use the big pack. One of the big pack them I use, people. Normally I don't know what the little tiny packs them we use and but yeah, fire start catching now. So right now, yam time. Alright, so look at this, some beautiful people. This one is the yellow yam. As you can see, get a few little machete chops and thing. But we can skim off this. This naga, naga stop it from cooking the yam, I understand. This is quite fine. Yeah, some nice machete chops and thing, when them a dig it, and maybe when them a sell it, a cut it and thing. But natural vibes have some yellow yam right here, so, and white yam. So we're gonna skim off them here right now, peel them up, and drop in a little plate with little water, because we're gonna drop on the pot soon and make water go and boil up, because you don't know, yam have to go boil nice naturally. So first, we're going to peel the yellow yam. See down as some people, bitter. Down at the bottom part, yeah, bitter. So we want to make sure so we get off a good amount of that yam down at the bottom piece, because you don't want taste down as so. You understand? You don't want taste down as some people, I can tell you that. Down at them place, yeah, oh my God, well bitter. Oh, get that out of the way. We're going to peel up the yam right now. Look at that. Nice. Nice, my beautiful people. Don't really watch them look cut here. I just mash it, get to it and thing. Yes, nice. This look good. Get some nice slices. Can get a couple nice slices out of it. Yeah, it's good. Naturally. White yam time. Whoa, this is so pretty. These pretty people, man, I like. It look like something going in another part. I don't know. You see what going on? cut it one more time. So we can peel it properly. Same like the white yam people, I normally cut off the tip of my yams. And tell me if I waste me, I waste it. Somebody comment, tell me if I waste me, I waste the white yam when I cut off the tip or the yellow yam. Nice, look at that. See if we can get buses in a two. Okay, my beautiful people. So, natural vibes right here, so we get some nice, we just peel up our yam and thing. Get some nice slices with yellow yam and the white yam. So right now the fire blazing over there, so I gotta get the pot on fire. Make sure so the water boil up. And of course, my beautiful people, whenever you know when I gotta use coal pot, when I use coal pot or wood fire, coal or wood fire, make sure you get a little cooking oil on the pot bottom and around the pot as well. Some people use soap too. Yeah, some people use fab soap, you know. So the pot easier for wash. You know, stop the pot from black up. You know, stop the pot from blocking up people. You just make it easier for wash. Easier to get off all of the blackness and all them thing there off of the pot. Nice. Get a little oil around your pot and thing. Fire right there, so. Nice. Nice. Now this water is enough. This water is enough. You can cook with yam. Cover it, you know. This is enough. You can cover the yam. You can put the yam them kind of cut flat, so you know we can actually put the yam, make them fit nice in the pot, and it can equally cook all of them. Nice. Nice, so we have a pot over there, so with some water and the fire now. We're gonna start boil up one thing. So you know we just keep we yam in a little water, in a little plate as well. So you know, so whenever we are gonna put these in the pot, you know them can easily just wash off, put in a pot. Natural vibes. And for top off we yam to the people, you don't know we have nice salt mackerel in our bag right there, so you know we soon take it out and make gonna see it. Natural vibes. We have pomodoro right there, so tomato. We have scotchy, yes man, scotchy. We have some thyme, scallion. I don't know, we now left out the purple onion. Oh, we have a little all-purpose top in it. Natural vibes, and I don't know, fish seasoning. Whole heap of breadfruit up on the tree now, people. Yeah man, but them young still, you know. Yeah man. Them young, but a whole heap more. The funny to come up here now. Reap off a whole heap of it the other day. Yes man, so you know, so new one come up here now. Wow, soon roast breadfruit time again. Natural vibes. Look on these people. For no one fever grass, just link me. Yeah man. For no one fever grass, link me. I'm gonna get some fever grass. Okay. One big old bunch. One big bunch of fever grass. Yeah man. Lemongrass. banana there right there so too. Yeah man. See kitchen there, people, not that far from the kitchen, you know. Yeah man, I see banana there, man. Banana there so. Banana there so. Banana right there so too. Yeah man, banana, yes, a banana over there so. See all one there over there so again. Yeah man, banana there everywhere. But this is not we're not gonna put no banana in this. Yeah man, this we're not gonna put no banana in that video, people. We just want yam. Yeah man, we just want white yam and yellow yam. Yeah man, and salt mackerel. Natural vibes, so that we are dealing with to the people. We don't put the banana in that one. Natural vibes. Big piece of land over here, sign of people. But back over the side there, no our side. I want to say buy piece and farm it up. For no. Natural vibes. Yes man, you know the vibes man. Real backyard country vibes, people. It's a lovely place, it's a lovely day. It look like rain gonna fall to the people, but it trick when the rain fall. The place kinda damn still, just look at jewelry and thing, you know, that not really hurt you. All if it fall, it not hurt you, because I bless it, I bless the earth. Bless up Mother Nature said do so. Vibes are going and die. Tree so. Yeah man. I don't know which one I go picking up, people. I don't know which one I go pick, guys. Oh my god. White yam and yellow yam. Remember me tell you, man. Worst paired with salt mackerel. I don't know which one I go choose today. I don't know which one I go choose in the people. Yeah man, I don't know. But let's wait and see. And of course, if you reach this far in the video, please, if you're a new viewer, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take in some more of the outdoor content. We have a few content out well on the channel, so feel free to go over and go and check out a couple of the videos them, you know. And for all of the existing subscribers them and viewers them, on the don't know, bless up on yourself all the time for tuning in. You understand? Big up Noreen, big up June, you know. If you not hear on the name of another one of people, you don't feel no way. We are God bless you know, no worry in the head, and we love for all of you. You understand? Natural vibes. Yeah man. Bless up, call it. Yeah man. Choo. Yeah man. Bless up, Hyacinth. Yeah man. If you not hear on the name, man, you just know what time it is. Heart of love to everybody do, you know. You know. I just heart of love, peace and love to everybody. We always are tuning into the channel, man. Good vibes, people. So just there, I'm going to wait the pot to bubble up, you know, people. Yeah, man, the pot sound good. Yellow yam sound good in the pot here, bubble up. So I could go and wait. Yeah, my people, now it's time to get in the white yam. Yeah, man. Yellow yam come on nice. You see that? We get in the white yam now. Make everything go and boil up until them soft and nice you can eat. Nice. See that? People can hear the rain come from it. Oh, rain. Natural vibes. So you can see soup pot here. Yeah. White yam. Yellow yam gone in. So now we just lay here and wait. Natural vibes. And rain start, people. Oh my god, the rain start. Woo! Guys, the rain come down real hard while ago, man. Yeah man, the rain, you have to drop your umbrella. Don't know, we still under a mini coconut tree. We now lift up and see fire here. Fire blaze. Yeah man, fire still ablaze right here. Natural vibes. Fire still kicking, my beautiful people. Nice size. Whoa. Actually it fold up like it looks so. This extra big one, people, look at this. Jeez, this is a huge one. This is a huge salt mackerel, people. Oh my god. This big. Yeah, man, this big. This big. Now, when I big people, look at my hand compared to this. Just look at my hand and try to measure it from my hand. No, sir. Let's get some water on the salt mackerel. This one here kind of clean though, people. Normally, you look on salt mackerel, you see a bag of salt all over and thing. When you see no salt in this, no salt no dip on it or anything. Whoa. I like that. I like that. So I don't know, just like I make this go and sit in this little water for a little while until the yam them finish, which we are gonna check right now. After this hot, the heater come through it. Nice, yam them come on nice right here, so people. Yeah man. Yam them come on so nice. Wow, natural vibes and people say, here we go. Time to get these out. Yeah man, time to get out with yam now and put them aside. Like my enamel, people. Nice, good enamel now. Like that enamel. Wow. And we have right here salt mackerel we are get, which we are getting at the same water, people. So we're going to put this in the same water and cover it down because you know it have a scald off for a few minutes. So natural vibes. See that whenever I use no salt in the water where I use boil the yam and all of that. You know, I can put the salt mackerel in the same water the feet go and scald off. So I give that 15 minutes or less, make it scald off, and then we'll get back to now. Vibes are going right at some people. Beautiful vibes. Oh my god, I can't wait for dive into all of this way right there. So I have a salt mackerel in the pot over here. Where I make this scald off about, you know, just a few minutes. Natural vibes. Get off the salt and thing. Wow. Can't wait for diving in that yam there over there so people look beautiful. Look real good. No lie. Look real good. So I get back to now after we salt mackerel scald off and thing. Then we can get it pick up. But first, for the seasonings what we're using in this, you know, we have a tomato. I have nice pepper right here. Sweet pepper right here. Onion right here. Natural vibes. I don't know about time. And why use a little piece of scallion. So I get this cut up scallion, thyme, onion, sweet pepper, hot pepper, and tomato. Natural vibes. Nice. So this is our goodies, people. Natural vibes. So I have a purple onion cut up. You know, I have scallion and thyme right here. So we have a few pieces of there. We use half of the hot pepper It was a red one. Nice little scotchy. I have sweet pepper. I don't know. Pomodoro. Tomato. Natural vibes. Look beautiful, not true? Yeah, man. Nice. So mackerel in a scala for a while now, people. So you know, so it can come out of the pot right now. Yeah, man. Natural vibe. So I get this in some cold water and get it clean up. Get some cold water on your mackerel, people. Get some cold water on the mackerel. Naturally. Ah, yes. Nice. First, I get off the mackerel head here, people, because I don't really eat that. I don't eat the mackerel head. So throw that aside. Natural vibes. I don't know. Them little slimy thing here upon the mackerel. Sure to get them rub off, you know. Yeah, man, rub off a little slimy. Skin off of the mackerel and thing. Thing. Yeah, all of the liquor. You know. Slime up and thing. I don't know what I talk about. Fins, all of them little things there, get them off. You know. Natural vibes. Alright, nice and beautiful, people. So we get off most, if not all of the outer slimy layer on the skin of the mackerel. So now you know, say I gotta pick up a mackerel. Natural vibe. So I gotta pick it up and rest it on the side right here. So natural vibes. So we do it same like saltfish and beautiful, people. Get your mackerel, pick up and get out some of the bones, you know, and all of the bones where I can get out, people, but get out where you can get out. Yeah, man, get out where you can get out of it. The more, the better. So I can do that right now. Get to mackerel, pick up and thing, and rest it aside. Natural vibes. Nice, beautiful, people. So, you know, pot is back on the fire now. Nice. And salt mackerel right here. Natural vibes. Get some oil in the pot. Time to get in with salt mackerel now, people. Tip a little all-purpose. It's a little Maggi all-purpose, you know. And a little fish seasoning. We are going to make this sit for about 2 minutes under the heat. Natural vibes. Yeah, my people, boat run now. Yeah, man. Boat fully land. Nice. Nice. Boat fully land, my beautiful people. Boat look good. Yes, man. Natural vibes. Get some salt mackerel all over it, you know. Yeah, man. And then, of course, can't live out the oil, my people. Yeah, man. Can't live out the oil. Yeah, man. This come like the gravy for it now, people. Naturally. Nice and beautiful, people. Look at that. Yeah, man. I have a salt mackerel right there, so seasonings and thing. And then, of course, you have a yellow yam. Don't really watch this, people. It's all good, said we, and then you don't know. Nice little white yam right there, so. Yeah, man. Natural vibes. So, we're going to dive right in now. Let me see what comes first. Oh, where that flyer come from now? First, I go dip in the yellow yam. See if I can get a better view of the sun. Alright. Natural vibe, so. Yellow yam, this people. You know, this a little more firm than the white. You understand? Yeah, man. Ah. Natural vibe. So we have a white yam right here, so people. Oh my god. Look at that. Yeah, man. This is firm. Firm and nice. Firm and nice. It says out yellow yam. Yellow yam. firm as well. Firm as well, but it's a little more, the yellow yam is a little more trashy than the white yam. Understand? Yeah, man. A little more trashy than the white yam. Taste piece more the white yam. Definitely a better texture for me. The white yam is definitely a better texture for me in this one. But if you pick out of the two, it all come down to preference. Yeah, man. Piece more the yellow yam. All come down to preference. And why I eat it with too. Yeah, man. So for this one, we pair it with some salt mackerel. For me, the white yam, I'm gonna go with the white yam for the salt mackerel. Wicked. With this out with salt mackerel. So this. Nice. Oh my god. Right. For people, whether trashy or firm or whatever, I gotta deal with everything in this. Hopefully we can manage everything. So, yeah, man. Nothing now waste, nothing now that shit. White or yellow. Why people? This was a vibe. Yeah, man, this one was really a vibe. Really have the two type of yam. Yeah, man. Now we play it. Hold on. You know, I thought the white yam. I think the white yam was soft. You have soft yam different from white yam. You know, some always things said all of the white yam them soft. I never know say you have firm white yam too. Yeah, I never know that one there. It tastes real good though. I thought it would have been the soft one, the soft white yam. Oh, yeah, man. everything get guaps down still, people, man, I lie. Yeah, man. Was a vibe. Was a vibe doing this one. Tastes real good. The two yam them taste real good. But you know, it depends which one you guys prefer. The two yam them taste real good. Yeah, man. So it all comes down to preference. None of taste, but the two of them taste good, people. Believe it. So I just which one I prefer. And with some salt mackerel, you can't go wrong with either. You can't go wrong with none out of the two of them, whether yellow or white yam. So I don't know the style of people we are chewing out right now. We are sweat. I sweat on the place, people. I sweat. So it was a good one. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're a new viewer. And you don't know, tune in for another one. Yard life's good. Yam, yellow, white, salt mackerel. Natural vibe. So we deal with it. Backyard. Until next time, big up on yourself. Yard life's good.